Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauerkraut with purple cabbage. First, choose a fresh, firm head of purple cabbage. Remove any damaged outer leaves and the tough core. Thinly slice the cabbage into uniform strips. Place it in a large bowl and add about 2% of its weight in salt. Vigorously massage the cabbage for several minutes until it becomes soft and releases a good amount of liquid. This brine is essential for fermentation. Once the cabbage has released enough liquid, pack it tightly into a clean, wide-mouth glass jar. Press down firmly to remove air pockets. It's crucial that all the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own brine. If needed, add a small amount of 2% salt water. Place a fermentation weight or a smaller, clean jar on top to keep the cabbage submerged. This prevents mold and ensures proper anaerobic fermentation. Now, store your fermenting sauerkraut at a consistent room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, away from direct sunlight. Allow it to ferment for 1 to 4 weeks. Start tasting after about 1 week to check for your preferred tanginess and texture. Once it reaches your desired flavor, transfer the jar to the refrigerator. Refrigeration significantly slows the fermentation process, preserving your delicious sauerkraut for months. Homemade purple cabbage sauerkraut is delicious and packed with beneficial probiotics and essential vitamins, supporting gut health. Its vibrant color and distinctive tangy flavor make it a fantastic addition to sandwiches, salads, or as a side dish. It's a simple, rewarding way to preserve vegetables and enjoy their health benefits. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep even easier, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, healthy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.